Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your personal hashtag on Instagram. Want to make your own Instagram hashtag? You can easily get one for free. Just follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can do it. Open up Instagram app on your mobile phone and log into your profile. Now press on the plus icon at the top as to create a new post. Select post. Add a picture from your gallery. And write a description. After that, just add your own hashtag to your post and publish this post. After that, your personal hashtag will be created. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make your personal hashtag on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.